So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed all the important supports and resistances. So today we have seen a lower circuit in BCG. So in the BSC group, we have seen a 5% downfall, and in the NSE segment, it has closed somewhere around 166 rupees level. So whatever the support levels we have discussed in our previous session, so slightly it has come below that particular zone. So we'll try to do the analysis, and in the recent days we have got an update also related to the acquisition of an audio company. So despite that, because of market volatility, the stock has showed a little bit of correction. So we'll try to discuss all the levels, so nothing to worry about it. So make sure to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so moving towards the updates, also recently on February 7th, in the official website, that is in the BSC itself, the company has clearly mentioned, that is a letter of intent to acquire a US based digital audio company. So by means of asset purchase transactions for the rapid growth in the audio advertising market. So that is what they clearly mentioned in this particular PDF document. So that is well known to us, right? So whatever the management was telling after the board meeting also, they were confidently telling that they are having a good future prospect on the company, their acquisitions, their partnerships. So everything, it is going to reflect ultimately on the financial sheet. So you need to remember that, right? So it is a plus point to the company, but it's not a negative thing, right? So many people are asking, it is doing so many acquisitions, so will it be a negative thing? So that will not be a negative thing. It is always a positive thing. And you can also see here, they have mentioned here, so this acquisition is immediately EPS by adding rupees $45 million to the top line revenue of Brightcom. So there clearly you can see it is a plus point, that clearly it is mentioned in that PDF document itself, and $15 million in terms of the earnings before interest and taxes. So everything as they mentioned there is looking good. So only thing is little bit of profit booking is there in the market, right? All the stocks recently, whichever the stock has given a good up move, so operators are trying to trap the retailers to create a panic situation. So morning also in the Telegram group I've mentioned that nothing to worry, keep holding the stocks if you're holding for long term. So why to worry for short term falls, right? Should not worry about short-term falls. So we need to wait till March. So after the bonus happens, when the stock price drops, so then we'll again see a good move in the stock. So that is what we have discussed, right? So this is what they have mentioned in this particular PDF document, and by which means they are going to acquire that particular company. So clearly they have mentioned, you can go through it. So main thing is, what is the point actually they're trying to do, right? So point is very clear. They're having a very good acquisitions. That is a positive thing. So quickly, let's go to technical charts. So there we'll try to see on daily chart and weekly chart all the possible levels. Okay, so if you observe the weekly chart, so as usual, whatever the levels we have discussed, they are intact. So keep them in radar. So these are very crucial levels. So many times it has respected that particular levels, but this particular weeks you can see a little bit of crack in the support is there. So slightly it is coming down. So but you need to remember, still the week is not completed. So still few sessions are left. Like today is Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so 3 sessions are left. So ultimately if it is closing above that 170 rupees level, then no problem. If it is coming little bit down, then you need to focus the 160 and 150 rupees levels as the important zones. Okay, so these are the near term levels, but as I told, 3 sessions are left, so don't have any panic mindset. So every stock is down, right? Even large caps have corrected to a certain extent. Only few companies which were having that consolidation phase, so they have given a breakout, they went good. So that happens, but you need to hold them, right? So now let's go to daily chart. There also we'll see how the pattern is looking. Okay, so if you observe the daily chart, so we can see multiple times earlier also it has come below this zone, like 2 times it has come down, but again it has retraced. So this particular second time when it has come down, at that point we know the quarter results of the company were announced. So that's the reason immediately back to back we have observed upper circuits, but again you can see it is coming a little bit down. It has closed actually below that support zone. So next immediate level is going to be the 160. So this is a crucial level. Let's see in the coming sessions how the stock respects this 160. So if not, I have told you 150 as well. So these are important levels. So ultimately they're trying to bring a price little bit down because to make affordable to retail people as well, to show the people that it is still affordable, and before the bonus itself, so they're having this sort of plan. But as I told, fundamentally and technically there is no problem. Only thing, little correction is there, that's it. So keep these levels in radar. So any further questions you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram id is stocks diary yt. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.